Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of aftermarket car entertainment systems. Specifically, we'll be reviewing the LAMTTO 9-inch wireless car stereo with CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, and backup camera. Is this all-in-one unit a worthy upgrade for your vehicle? Let's find out. Welcome back to AI Tech Bundle. First, let's take a look at what you get in the box. Inside, we have the 9-inch head unit itself, a wiring harness for connecting to your car's electrical system, a backup camera with its associated wiring, a GPS antenna, and the usual assortment of screws and mounting brackets. The unit boasts wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, a high-resolution touchscreen display, built-in GPS navigation, and support for a backup camera. The 9-inch display is the centerpiece. It promises a clear and responsive user experience. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto are very good features for ease of use. Installation can be a bit tricky depending on your vehicle. The wiring harness needs to be properly connected to your car's existing wiring. If you're not comfortable with automotive electrical work, I highly recommend professional installation. For this review, we had it professionally installed to ensure proper functionality and avoid any potential electrical issues. Here are the basic steps. First, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Second, remove your existing head unit. Third, connect the LAMTTO wiring harness to your car's wiring harness. Fourth, connect the backup camera and GPS antenna. Fifth, mount the head unit and test all the functions. Finally, secure the unit and reconnect the car battery. Now, let's talk about performance. The wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity worked seamlessly in our tests. The touchscreen is responsive, and the display is bright and clear, even in direct sunlight. The GPS navigation is accurate, and the backup camera provides a clear view of what's behind you. Sound quality is acceptable for most users, but audiophiles might want to consider upgrading the speakers. The system's interface is relatively intuitive, but there is a slight learning curve. Some of the menus could be better organized. Boot up time is also a little slow, taking around 15 to 20 seconds to fully load. Let's summarize the pros and cons. On the plus side, we have wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, a large and responsive touchscreen, built-in GPS navigation, and a backup camera. On the downside, installation can be challenging, the interface could be more refined, and the boot up time is a bit slow. So, is the LAMTTO 9-inch wireless car stereo worth buying? If you're looking for an affordable way to add modern features like wireless CarPlay and Android Auto to your older vehicle, it's definitely a contender. However, be prepared for a potentially challenging installation and a few minor quirks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the LAMTTO car stereo.